What's up? This is me talking to a camera, and I'm a crazy person. So when I get bored, I talk to a camera sitting on top of my microwave. So it turns out that my grandfather, no, my great great grandfather was Jewish because his last name is Finkelstein. Have you seen my nose? Now you know why that thing is so big. I'm sort of tired. I have drinking Gamertag. I'm a bit loopy right now. Oh, tomorrow I have school, and I don't like school. That's part of the things I don't like about waking up. But why don't I like waking up, you ask? Maybe you don't. I don't care. I found a bag of chips in my room. JK, they're not that bad. Well, first of all, when I get up out of bed, I'm like in this comfy bed. I'm all comfy and warm. I get out. I'm cold. My body feels like it's 10,000 pounds. So then I walk over to the shower, and it's like, oh man, I'm warm now, but now I'm all wet. So then I get out, and then now I'm still wet. Now I'm freezing cold. And then, so then I take on a towel, put some clothes on, do whatever I need to do. And that's when I get to worrying, because then I have to worry about brushing my teeth. I gotta worry about smelling good and doing my hair because I'm a woman.
Wicka wicka wah, wicka wicka wah wah wah, wicka wicka wiki woo, wicka 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 wah, wicka wah 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 wiki, wicka wah wicka bow wah wah wikipedia.
And then after that, I have to go to school, which is populated by teenagers. Yes, teenagers. And I hate teenagers. I haven't gotten a text message in a while. I wonder if... let's see if there's any text messages. No text messages. Everyone there is just unbearable to hang around with. Like, everyone's either super fake or like super just full of themselves or super emo. Everyone's like a prep in my school, and it's really annoying. And the teachers, oh the teachers. What the fuck? Freeze! Banana power! They just, oh, that's me? This is me? This is me? This is the teacher. They just put me down and put me in a bad mood. And then Brontosaurus is just like, and I'm like, hey Brontosaurus, can you help me? And so as you know, I enjoy playing music, and you might wonder why. Well, it's basically the only thing that I can do good. Like everyone has a strength and a weakness. My strength is music, my weakness is definitely sports. I am terrible. That's just it. I'm not even going to explain it. I'm terrible at sports. So I'm wondering, what are you good at, and what are you terrible at? Because we might have something in common. Like I play drums and guitar and ukulele, and I can play piano if I want to, but I don't really want to because I hate piano. Ugh, I'm congested. This chair spins. My MW2 is broken, and who doesn't know what MW2 is? That's a Modern Warfare 2. And I'll show you this. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll just pick up the camera to make sure you can, but... Oh, rainbow! Oh! Oh, hey, what's up? Oh, do you see those two rings right there around the outer edge? Yeah. And now I can't play it. And I've had this game since, like, Boxing Day, basically. And, yeah, lightsabers. Lifesavers. Lifesavers? Lifesavers. And, yeah, I'm not that good at it. But if you want to play me, when I get it fixed, my gamertag is RealConnorB. And I'll put some text down there just so then you can read that, write it down, and add me as a friend on Xbox Live. Then you can troll me all you want. Cool. I'm having like a real Red Hot Chili Peppers phase in my drumming. So I drum a lot on the Metal Cookie Music channel, and I wanted to do some like Red Hot Chili Peppers covers, but it doesn't seem like the audio swap thing. If I put copyrighted content on it, like with drum covers, I put the audio of the song on it, so then that's copyright. So then they'll be like, hey, we've got this database of these songs that you can use in your videos, and you won't get shit for it. So then one of those songs isn't, well, one of those songs was Under the Bridge, and it was, that's a Red Hot Chili Peppers song, and it wouldn't let me post it because the song wasn't on the audio swap, and I don't think any Red Hot Chili Peppers songs are on the audio swap, so this is going to be difficult, so that's going to suck. And Grello, this is what this color is. Slinky fart! Oh!